How to change your Starbucks email address. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for starbucks.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Starbucks. Go ahead and make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and further tap on the account option you see there. You will then see the option for settings, tap on that. You will be led to your profile settings page. Go ahead and tap on the edit button beside your email address you see there, and you will now be allowed to change your email address. So tap on the new email text box and enter the new email that you want to change your Starbucks email to, and tap on the send code button. You will then receive a code in your existing email, so go ahead and copy the code sent to you in your email and then paste it further in the 6-digit code text box here. Finally, tap on the confirm button, and with this, your email will be changed successfully. So this is how you can change your email address in Starbucks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.